Hi, I recently recorded a video on how to install the YouTube app on a Macbook. It works quite well as a normal application. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. Now it's time to deal with Netflix. You will agree that it's more convenient to put the Netflix app on the bottom panel or desktop to have quick access to the movie. So let's get started. Go to google.com and type in the query Google Chrome. Go to the Google Chrome page. You need to do this if you don't already have Google Chrome installed. If you have Google Chrome installed, you can skip this part. The installation is very simple like a normal application, so I won't show it here to save your time. And after you have installed Google Chrome, open this application. Now in the Google Chrome browser, type in the query Netflix. Hit enter to get the search results and go to the first link to netflix.com. Now in Google Chrome, click on the triplet in the top right corner, next select More and then click on Create Shortcut. We remove the unnecessary names so that we don't have unnecessary words. And we can check Open in a separate window so that it looks like a separate application. Click Create and we can see that we have a Netflix shortcut. This is what the app itself looks like. If we go into the launch pod, we can also see a Netflix shortcut that we can put on the bottom bar. And now it's very convenient to open the Netflix app with a single click. Of course, it's not a completely standalone app, meaning you can't save movies to your computer and watch those movies without an internet connection. In any case, internet will be needed. But still, if you visit Netflix frequently, this option will be quite convenient for you. Thanks for watching, put a like, subscribe to the channel, good luck and all the best!